So we have Blender in scripting mode. Okay, we have write a Python script, blah, blah, blah. Copy the Python script above, paste it into the Blender text editor. A new head. We just do a head model. Import a place control Alt P Python script fail. The system console. We just put the image, the whole screen into the board. See what it said. From the screenshot, paste the screen, got an error. Solution, ensure proper object selection. We're getting errors. It did make a ball, a sphere. Is that meant to be a mouth? No. Python script failed. System console, blah blah. Can you describe how the model should look like first? Like, can you generate the prompts for creating a head model in Blender? Model scattering, transparency. Yeah, once you bring this a model into the software, you can automate stuff in it. Yeah, that's what we want to do. $5. No AI. No. Well, the question is, when it's a model, what if it can be animated and stuff? Yeah, I don't think you can animate them as they are. This one has, it says in motion, it's like $50. Yeah, so you can, yeah, this model is $50. Import the customer model Blender, select, locate the downloaded model, edit the mesh, apply modifiers, texture the model, rig the model, choose the most realistic head, and blah blah blah, deciding which model. If you have existing 3D model in Blender, you can definitely modify it using Python. Okay, can I get the script for an existing model? Like a Python script that will generate an existing model. Yeah, I don't understand if I can get models, can I just get the code for the model? There's a human community MPFB. What's MPFB? Yeah, there's like it's a game. It's used for game engines. Is this open source? MB. It's the inside of the eye. I think it's pretty accurate as well. It's poof. Look, it's only 20. Like what? The other question is like, what can you do with a model like that? Check this out.